Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video today, and today I will be doing another crazy reacts video, and this video will be funny moments on trains, and today it will only be 2 funny moments. We won't be doing 3 or 5. So let's get into this very short video. What a good first moment there, and in that moment that train looked like it was going through snake loops, and it looked like a bit like a snake, and it was a bit bumpy, that train track right there. It was a very good one. I'd definitely watch it back again. Superman. What a good last moment there. That guy looked very strong, and he looked like he was a Superman, or like the Dwayne Rock Johnson. I don't know if he can even push a train, because a train is heavy like metal, and even heavier than metal. So I thought this would be a good video to do for a reaction video. Sorry if there wasn't enough good content in this video, but this is all I could find for this video. I know it was very short today, but I'm sure it was good for everyone. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video with more videos to come in the future. Pleasure as always. Bye everyone. Thank you kindly.